Hello, I'm Rich Bowman with NASA's Office of Inspector General. Today I'm here to discuss our audit examining some of the ramifications for NASA of the October 2014 failure of an Orbital Sciences Corporation cargo resupply mission to the International Space Station. The mission, Orbital's third resupply flight, failed during liftoff, causing the vehicle to crash near the launch pad and destroying the company's Antares rocket and Cygnus spacecraft, as well as all cargo aboard. The launch pad and supporting facilities at NASA's Wallops Flight Facility also sustained damage. In the aftermath of the failure, Orbital suspended its resupply missions pending completion of an investigation and acceptance by NASA of the company's return-to-flight plan. NASA's $1.9 billion cargo resupply contract with Orbital, known as CRS-1, required the company to transport 18.6 metric tons of supplies and equipment, or UPMAS, to the station over 8 flights by the end of 2016. Orbital's return-to-flight plan, approved by NASA in January, calls for the company to deliver the remaining 13.1 metric tons of this UPMAS in 4 rather than the 5 flights originally planned. The first 2 of these flights are expected to launch using another company's rocket, the Atlas V. For the remaining flights, Orbital plans to use a revamped model of its Antares rocket. We found that Orbital's return-to-flight plan contains technical and operational risks and may be difficult to execute as designed and on the timetable proposed. First, although the Atlas V has a strong flight record, Orbital will be integrating its Cygnus capsule with the rocket for the first time. Second, Orbital must accelerate development of its modified Antares launch system, refitting it with new engines for 2 planned launches in 2016. This tight schedule does not include a test flight for the modified system and provides limited opportunities for qualification and certification testing. Third, we believe Orbital's plan to drop one of its 5 previously scheduled resupply flights and carry the promised cargo in 4 missions may disadvantage NASA by decreasing the agency's flexibility in choosing the type and size of cargo Orbital transports to the ISS. We also found that although NASA will not pay Orbital more than the fixed price of $1.9 billion agreed to for the original 8 flights, the agency failed to take advantage of provisions in the contract that could have reduced its cost by up to $84 million. Finally, although the internal process Orbital established to investigate the cause of the failure complies with its contract with NASA and its license from the Federal Aviation Administration, the process lacks the level of independence required of typical NASA investigation boards. We made 7 recommendations to NASA to help reduce risks in this and future commercial resupply contracts. To read the OIG full report, please visit our website at www.oig.nasa.gov.